close to a foot of snow in some of our southern counties before, all of this is over, right, Chuck?
Probably so.
Yeah.
Jasper this morning down in southern Indiana had 8.5 inches. They've continued to see more snow there, and another wave is going to come through this morning. By the way, please be careful out there. And if you see road crews, give them some space.
Yeah.
These men and women have been working 12-hour shifts trying to, make these roads clear for us. So,
and the snow keeps coming down.
It does.
So they're not going anywhere anytime soon.
Right, absolutely. And this is a look from our photographer Drew, who's out this morning. He's out on 74, where it splits off to 69, and you'll go south to Evansville. You go on 74 towards Peoria, Illinois, and look at that road. This is like many of our interstates this morning. Yes, they've been plowed, but the snow comes right back over them, and so it's hard to even see the lane markings this morning. I'm telling you, really be careful out there this morning. It was a white knuckler driving in on this weather impact alert day when we're watching not only the light snow that's falling here, but more snow on the way. So let's zoom in here towards Illinois. This is Decatur, Springfield, the heaviest snow, Effingham over to Terre Haute, and this is going to move in an east-northeast direction. Now, you'll already see this heavier snow. That's the blue from Paris, Illinois, over towards Terre Haute, and then Bloomington is seeing some of this right now. So because of this, we are calling for this weather impact alert really from now until the middle of the day with blowing and drifting. I think that's the big deal today. 30+ mile-per-hour winds. We already have a 40-mile-per-hour gust at Indianapolis International. And on an east-west road, what happens with this northerly breeze is it just picks the snow up and covers it, and that creates quite a problem. So we have a triple threat today with additional morning snow, with this east-west road blowing and drifting situation, and a bitter wind chill that's in the single digits to near zero. Here's the winter storm warning. This is in effect until 7 o'clock tonight. And that's because, again, of this blowing and drifting that we're going to experience. Right now, 21 from Indy to Greencastle and over towards Muncie. And in this corridor, it's really cold. Again, 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts at the airport, which give us a wind chill of 3 degrees this morning. We're the coldest reporting wind chill in the state at Indianapolis International Airport. By all means, folks, please wear the warmest thing you have. And if you have to shovel snow, take breaks every 20 to 30 minutes. And remember, you don't lift the snow, you push it. And that will be easier on the back and on your heart. 26 to 27 will be our high today. Let me put future track in motion. So this is 10 o'clock today. A lot of the snow starts to really taper off by this time in the immediate metro area. Now, by 1 o'clock, most of this will be gone. However, look at this direct northerly breeze. That is not good because those winds will be gusting, and I'm talking about late in the day and then early tomorrow from 20 to 25 miles per hour. So that can shut or refreeze some of these roads. But with this northerly breeze throughout the next few days, really assisted by this deep area or strong area of high pressure to our south, it's really going to get cold. So today, the warmest day until the weekend, 27 for a high, 10 degrees tonight and 26 tomorrow. Wednesday, we start to really feel the bitter chill. And Thursday morning, our low 0 with sub-zero wind chills and 16. That's it for a high. But hang in there. After some snow on Friday, we get closer to the freezing mark, and we should be there by Sunday.